Understanding the phrase, magnet on the car, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, magnet on the car. This expression might sound straightforward, but it has interesting nuances in English. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. First, let's break down the literal meaning of the phrase. A magnet is an object that attracts certain metals like iron. When we say something is a magnet on the car, we are picturing a magnet attached to a car. This image helps us understand the figurative meanings we'll explore next. In English, the phrase often carries a figurative meaning. It can be used to describe something that attracts a lot of attention or interest, similar to how a magnet attracts metal. For example, if a car has a very eye-catching design, one might say it's like a magnet on the car, drawing everyone's attention. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. The new sports car was like a magnet on the car. Everyone in the street stopped to look at it. 2. Her vibrant personality is a magnet on the car in social gatherings. Notice how the phrase is used to emphasize attraction or attention in different contexts. Sometimes, you might hear variations of this phrase. For example, she's a walking magnet. His charisma is a real car magnet. These variations follow the same concept but are used in more specific contexts. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, magnet on the car. Remember, English is full of such vivid expressions that make the language rich and interesting. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase in your conversations. See you in our next video.